Today we are going to discuss 10th standard or SSLC chapter 1 chemical reactions and equations. What are these chemical reactions and equations? See, chemical reactions in and or around we have seen so many reactions. So inside house also we have seen, and we are respirating na, that is also a one chemical reaction. Then what about these equations? Whatever you are observing in the nature, they are all chemical reactions. Then that chemical reactions you have to represent in equations. So that is the meaning. So chemical reactions you have to represent in form of equations. That's why they are mentioned equations. Okay. Now these are all the following situations. Just you see it. Milk is left at room temperature during summer. He is mentioning summer. Summer means heat is more. So if we expose milk to the temperature, it will spoil. That means there may be a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction occurs. Okay. Next you see an iron tawa, pan or nail. All are iron. Okay. He is left exposed to humid. He is mentioning humid. Humid means water is there. If we expose iron nail to a water, it will get rusted. That means here also it is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Okay. First to second. Third, grapes fermented. That means from grapes they have prepared alcohol. Alcohol. That means it is also a chemical reaction. Okay. Food is cooked. Oh, it is also a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Food gets digested. See, digested in our body. Digested means food plus HCl. It is also a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Where you are getting HCl? Our stomach itself, HCl is there. So, food reacts with HCl, you will get a required amount of energy. We respire. We respire means we are taking oxygen plus CO2. Okay, both we are taking, but we want oxygen. To maintain the oxygen percentage in body, we need oxygen. Okay. So in all the above situations, the nature and the identity of the initial substance have somewhat changed. See here also you see milk, it has changed to some other subject after exposure to heat. Same iron nail is exposed to humid water, humid that means water, you will get a rust Fe2O3. So that's what he is telling. In all the above situations, the nature and the identity of the initial substances have somewhat changed. So this is the meaning. That means nature, whatever we are seeing, all there may be a chemical reactions occur. So next activity 1.1 you see, activity 1.1 is taking one magnesium ribbon. Just we will see what he is telling. This activity needs the teacher's assistance. Okay. Clean the magnesium ribbon, he is telling. He has taken one magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon. It has to be rubbed with sandpaper. With sandpaper. Why we have to rub this magnesium ribbon? Because if if this magnesium ribbon exposed to air, magnesium combines with oxygen, you will get a MgO. So this is a stable compound. It may be deposited on the surface of this magnesium ribbon. That's why we have to clean first this magnesium ribbon. Okay. So it is about 3 to 4 centimeter long. By rubbing it with a sandpaper, hold it to the pair of tongs. This is the tongue. Okay. Burn it using a spirit lamp. This is a spirit lamp. Okay. Collect the ash so formed in a watch glass shown in 1.1. Burn the magnesium ribbon, keeping it away as far as possible to your eyes. You burn this. After cleaning, you burn this. So actually, magnesium is grey color. Okay. Now we will see. So what you will observe? After burning this? What you will observe? Magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame. This is also important. It is confirmation test we are telling. Confirmation test. So it is used in this you may get in first and second PUC, second PU, and changes into white powder. See here, magnesium is actually grey color. What you are getting? You are getting white color powder. White color powder. This powder is magnesium oxide. So that is magnesium oxide, MgO. Okay. It is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and oxide present in the air. So magnesium plus oxygen, burn it. You will get MgO. So this is the reaction. And see here just you see, this is grey color and MgO is white. That means color is changing. His intention is to convey yours to something happened while burning magnesium in presence of oxygen. And second, you will see what he is doing here. He has taken lead nitrate, PbNO3 plus Ki solution, potassium iodide solution. He has taken lead nitrate and potassium iodide solution. So we will get that PbI2. So this is yellow color. Yellow color. See, color is changing. So this activity is telling color is changing. And here you see, actually magnesium is a solid. It is a solid. But you are getting magnesium MgO powder. So that means he is telling that physical state is changing. Physical state is changing. Okay, here you see color is changing. Now one more activity is taking. Take a few zinc granules. So zinc I will write all elements or symbols of elements. because you have to 100% pakka. You have to become 100% pakka in writing chemical symbols. Okay. Take a few zinc granules in a conical flask or a test tube. Add dilute sulfuric acid to it. Okay. You take zinc plus sulfuric acid. HTL. He is telling HCl or sulfuric acid, but you take HCl. You will get ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. So that's what he is telling. See, dilute sulfuric acid or HCl, zinc granules. You will get a hydrogen gas liberated on the top. Okay. See, this is solid. Okay. This is HCl. This is HCl. Okay. This is aqueous. Okay. What you will get? Hydrogen will get. That means what? So that means you are getting a gas. See again, you see, you are getting gas. That's what. Now touch the conical flask or test tube. Is there any change in the temperature? Okay. From the above three activities, we can say that any of the following observation helps us to determine the. So definitely you will get a temperature rise. So that means what he is going to tell is change in state. State means solid to liquid, liquid to gas. This is the situation. Color change. So already I told color change. Evolution of gas. See, gas is evolving. Okay. Change in temperature. See, all this you have seen in this reaction.